Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Topic: alkenes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons which have general formula CnH2n are called alkenes. The hydrocarbons containing double bond carbon-carbon double bond, its first member, that is C2H4, gives an oily materials with halogens, so they are also called olefins. C2H4 ethene or ethylene, C3H6 propene or propylene. Structure: in ethylene molecules, one of sp2 hybridized orbital of one carbon atom overlap axially with one of the sp2 orbital of the another carbon atom. Two of the sp2 hybridized orbital of each carbon atom overlap separately and along the axis with the first orbital of the hydrogen atom. Pure p orbital on each of the two carbon atom overlap each other laterally sideways, and thus a new type of the bond pi is formed between the two carbon atom. Isomerism. Chain isomerism. This type of isomerism is shown by all the alkenes having 4 or the more carbon atom. Pentene. 1 pentene, 2 methyl, 1 butene. Position isomerism. The two isomers differs in the positions of double bond known as positions isomerism. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3 1 butene, CH3 CH double bond CH, CH3 2 butene. Ring chain isomerism. In this type of isomerism, one isomer is open chain compound and the other closed chain. For example, propene, cyclopropane, 1 butene, cyclobutane, cyclobutane. Geometrical isomerism. A carbon-carbon double bond is made up of one sigma bond and one pi bond. Presence of pi bond prevent free rotations about the double bond, with result of the type ABC CAB CC double bond can exist in two different geometrical isomerism form, that is cis form and trans form. Cis and trans have same structure but different configurations. Generally, trans isomer is more stable than the cis isomer because of the lesser crowding in trans isomer. Preparations. Partial hydrogenations of alkynes. Hydrogenations with Lindlar catalyst. Partial deactivated palladized charcoal is known as Lindlar's catalyst. RC triple bond C H plus H2 alkyne. PDC Lindlar's catalyst. CRR double bond CHH. Burke reductions. RC triple bond CR alkyne Na liquid dot NH3 CRR CC double bond HR trans alkene by hydrohalogenations of alkyl halide. This is example of B elimination reaction since hydrogen atom is eliminated from the B carbon atom next to the carbon to which halogen is attached. CH beta CX alpha alcohol dot KOH del C double bond plus HX. Nature of halogen atom and the alkyl group determined rate of the reactions. It is observed that for halogens rate is iodine is greater than bromine, bromine is greater than chlorine. Well, for alkyl group tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary. From vicinal dihalides CH2Br plus Zn, CH2 double bond CH2 plus Zn Br2, CH3 CHBr CH2Br plus Zn, CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus Zn Br2. By dehydration of alcohol, the alcohols on heating with the concentrated H2SO4 from alkenes with eliminations of molecule of water CHCOH 95% H2SO4 del C double bond C. Sergev rule single starting compound can yield two or more isomer than more substituted alkenes is formed in greater amount during dehydration of alcohols. Sometimes unexpected or rearranged alkenes are formed due to 1,2-hydride or 1,2-methyl shift to form more stable carbocation. Physical properties. First 3 members are gases, next 14 are liquids, and the higher ones are solids. All alkenes are colorless and odorless except ethene, which has faint sweet smell. All alkenes are insoluble in water but fairly soluble in non-polar solvent. Boiling point of alkenes increase regularly with increase in size, and straight chain alkenes have a higher boiling point than isomeric branched chain compounds. Chemical properties. RCR XCRXR H2CCl4 ether halogenations. C double bond CRR alkenes यहाँ से ये रिजेंट है H2CCl4 ether halogenations CCRRRXX H2PDNI hydrogenations CCRRRHH H2O H2SO4 hydrations CCRRRRHOH C double bond C RRRR alkenes called alkyl cheminophore Bayer's reagent RC ROH CRROH HX RCRCRRHX O3 ozonolysis Zn plus H2O RC R double bond O 2. Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule states that negative part of addendum adding molecules get attached to carbon atom which possess lesser number of hydrogen atom. In the presence of peroxide, additions of HBr to unsymmetrical alkenes take place. Contrary to Markovnikov's rule, this is known as the peroxide effect or Karask effect. RCH2CH2Br RCH2CH2 alkene reagent HBr peroxide RCH2CH2Br anti-Markovnikov's addition peroxide Karask effect. Peroxide effect is observed in the case of HBr only, not with HCl or HI. HBr RCH3 Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's additions alkenes. Markovnikov's additions. Number of degree of unsaturations in a hydrocarbon is given by 2N1 plus 2 minus N2 upon 2, where N1 number of carbon atoms, N2 number of hydrogen atoms. Dienes. Alkenes with two double bonds are known as dienes. Dienes. Isolated dienes, conjugated dienes, cumulated dienes. Polymerizations in CH3CH double bond CH2 high temperature pressure catalyst CH2 CH3 and polypropene. Greater the number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom, more stable is the alkene. Additions of symmetrical reagents over symmetrical alkenes can be generalized as cis alkene plus syn additions major product, cis alkene plus anti additions racemic product, trans alkene plus syn additions racemic product, trans alkene plus anti additions major product. Additions of halogens to alkene is an anti additions. Racemic mixture plus 2,3 dibromobutane. Cis 2 butene. Additions of halogen to alkenes is an anti additions. Cis 2 butene plus Br2 CCl4 reagent Br2 CH3 plus Br2 CH3 racemic mixture plus minus 2,3 dibromobutane trans 2 butene trans to butene, trans to butene, meso 2,3 dibutane,